Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Old Harbor and we are giving you an update on the German ship repair yard. That's where you see that floating dry dock in Jamaica. This is called Jam Dock 1 and this floating dry dock is a game changer for Jamaica. Now if you look, you're going to see one ship on the dry dock, one to the left, one to the right, and one behind it. All four ships are to be serviced, or all four ships are going to use the dry dock for various services. So this dry dock is a huge success story in Jamaica. And the operators of the shipyard are actually planning to get more dry docks for Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the success of this dry dock in Jamaica. Minister of Labour and Social Security, Honorable Pernell Charles Jr., is highlighting German Ship Repair Jamaica, GSRJ, as a good example of Operation Streamline, which he recently announced. Minister Charles Jr. was speaking during a tour of GSRJ located at 17 Sir Florizel Glassbowl Highway, Kingston. The company is a very good representation, an example of that kind of operation in action where we have facilitated bringing in the necessary skills that are not here, but to ensure that there is a balance. That as we bring in labor, the transfer of skills and knowledge to our locals is an imperative, he said. The tour served to familiarize the minister with the company's operations, assess its contribution to employment and workforce development, and underscore the government's dedication to establishing robust occupational safety and health legislation. This visit marks the first in a series of tours encompassing docks, factories, construction sites, and other industrial environments, all of which will be directly impacted by the proposed OCH legislation. These tours are designed to provide invaluable insight into industry-specific safety challenges and inform the development of effective regulatory measures. Minister Charles Jr. noted the success in the transfer of knowledge at the shipyard, stating that the number of foreign workers brought in perhaps a year or two ago has been cut down by 50% because those skills have now been transferred to Jamaicans. The minister also highlighted the collaboration among the ministry, GSRJ, Caribbean Maritime University, and Hard Trust NTA in providing opportunities for Jamaican students and workers. You see the exposure for CMU students as interns who then move on to be on staff in a very nascent area of engineering. In terms of maritime, this is an opportunity that they would never get anywhere else in Jamaica, Minister Charles explained. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.